Flourishing Beauties, I'm Adrian Justine, and today I'm going to be doing a braid out on stretched hair. So to stretch my hair, I just combed out my curls with a comb after finger detangling and kept it in 12 large twists. So to start, I spritz the section with a little water. I comb again to make sure all the tangles are out. I go in with my Palm and Honey leave-in conditioner by Mielle Organics. Then I layer on the honey and ginger styling gel, and then I start plaiting my hair. So the key for this style is for your hair to be damp enough to hold the braid pattern but dry enough to maintain its stretched state. When I get to the last inch of hair, I end it with a twist. And then I'm gonna add a few drops of my growth oil to the braid to seal in all of that moisture and move on to the next section. So hair, I'm just repeating the same steps. Okay, so I finished all 12 braids. This is what my hair is looking like. I let my hair air dry for about 8 hours before going to sleep with a satin scarf. And so this is my hair the next day, and my plaits are completely dry. I like to use sunflower seed oil when I'm unraveling my braids. First of all, it's really good for your hair, but it also helps to eliminate frizz. So I'm just taking my time to gently pry the braids apart. So once I've finished unraveling all the braids, then I'm gonna add volume by separating my hair further, just gently pulling my hair apart where it naturally wants to separate. Then I go in with a wide tooth comb and just fluff out the roots to hide any parts. I really like how it came out, but you let me know in the comments what you think and what other natural styles you'd like to see me try on my hair. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!